Welcome to JH. Have you heard of Reface.ai? It's the AI-powered platform that has taken over the world of face swapping and media transformation. Whether you want to replace faces in videos, create AI avatars, or animate a still photo to make it sing, this app has you covered. Because let's be honest, the internet definitely needed more videos of your uncle's face deepfaked onto a professional ballerina. It sounds like a digital playground, but many people are wondering if Reface.ai is actually legit or just another clever data trap. Let's look at the numbers, because math doesn't lie, even if AI does. On the Play Store, the app boasts over 100 million downloads and a 3.8-star rating from nearly 2 million reviews. Apparently, millions of people have decided that swapping their faces onto movie stars is a top-tier use of their limited time on Earth. The App Store version is doing even better, sitting at a 4.9-star rating and ranking 43rd in the graphics and design category. With hundreds of thousands of followers on Facebook and Instagram, it's clear this isn't some fly-by-night operation. It's a massive community of people pretending to be someone else. Transparency is usually a good sign that a company isn't planning to vanish into thin air. Reface openly shares information about its team, led by co-CEOs Ivan Alcibo and Anton Vlahovic. Knowing exactly who is behind the curtain adds a layer of credibility, or at least gives you a specific name to mutter when the app crashes. They even provide a physical address, email, and phone number for support. It's almost refreshing to see a tech company that doesn't treat its contact information like a state secret. However, the road to AI perfection has a few potholes. Some users on the App Store have complained about being charged for annual subscriptions even after canceling their 3-day free trial. The developer's defense is the classic read the fine print move, reminding everyone that you must cancel at least 24 hours before the trial expires or your wallet belongs to them. Over on the Play Store, some long-term fans are frustrated that recent updates have stripped away favorite features like music swaps, turning the app into little more than a fancy selfie tool. It's the classic tech cycle. They give you the world, then take it back one update at a time. So, is Reface.ai legit? For the most part, absolutely. It's a genuine platform with a transparent team and a massive, active user base. Just remember that lifetime access in the tech world often lasts only until the next major software overhaul. If you decide to dive in, just keep a sharp eye on those subscription deadlines and don't be surprised if your favorite feature disappears tomorrow. Thanks for sticking around until the end.